Ola Bonecas, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. If you're new here, I would love for you to join the Boneca Babes family and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget that little notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Today I am so excited because I finally get to review the Dyson Airwrap Complete. I am so excited. Look how beautiful. I get into the nitty-gritty, the details, the price, is it worth it? I also have some questions to answer that you guys had asked me, but before that, let's get right into the unboxing. All right, so when you open it, this is what you see. Such stunning packaging. I love how they did, let's see if the camera, I love how they did this, this copper color right here, and it's a very sleek packaging. Then here you have a little travel case. Let's open this up. It's included with the gift edition. It's velvet and it's supposed to fit all your tools for a travel, like a little travel bag. Let's see if I can open it. It opens up pretty wide, and you also have a little fastener, and it is magnetic. That's really cute. I love the bag. Okay, so we're going to remove, this is actually pretty heavy. It's about 10 pounds. Okay, so right when you open it, there's a really pretty copper case. And it looks like it might be a leather case. Let's see. So in that box, we have this gorgeous travel case, and it has Dyson imprinted at the top. Right over here, you have like a little, I don't know, I guess a clasp. You have this, which opens it up. It is like a velvet black on the inside, and you have another Dyson cover on the top. And then here comes with like a little cardboard that explains how this works. And it says how to curl your hair with Coanda Air. Watch the 30-second film. So it's dyson.com/myairwrap. And here are all of the tools. My goodness, I don't know about you, but this is so gorgeous. We have the wand. I love how everything is so nicely organized in this little case. You have the wand, the pre-styling dryer. You have your barrels. One is counterclockwise and the other is clockwise. Have all these different size barrels, 1.2-inch Airwrap barrel and 1.6. Then here, this is your soft smoothing brush, and it kind of moves a little bit. This is your firm smoothing brush. They all do something different. And this is round volumizing brush. I'm really excited to use this because I think it would give a nice blowout effect. And so this is everything that comes in your Dyson Airwrap Complete Gift Edition. And this here, let's open this up. So when you take it out, there's like a little compartment for you to put the wire. The wire is really sturdy. So you have this, and then also the connector, and then on the actual wand, you're gonna remove that. These are some really nice buttons. This turns it on. It seems like there's like a fan here for the lowest, medium, and high. Here you have like a cool, medium heat, and then hotter filter right here. And it's magnetic. So this is really nice. And then you have your locking mechanism in the back all the way. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, so from the unboxing, you were able to see everything that comes in this gorgeous package. Now, I've already used this for, I want to say, about 2 to 3 weeks. I wanted to give you a fair review and actually use this for some time before I kind of tell you if it's worth it, what I think, and yada, yada, yada. All right, the first thing that you all probably want to know is the price. This retails for $550. That's expensive. However, you could also find this on eBay. Sometimes people want to get rid of them and they're new. Sometimes you could find them refurbished. I understand if you don't want to get a refurbished tool or something that is used, but want to save the money, it's an option. Also, if you want to get this new, Sephora does have some sales from time to time, so take advantage. Now, this gift edition does retail technically for a little bit more. I believe it's $609 they say is the value, because it does come with like a little traveling case that you saw on the unboxing video. It's very nice and velvety. It's so nice because you get to like travel. Because you get to use it for travel. Not that we're really doing any traveling right now, but if you were to do it in the future, it's nice because you have that bag to store everything in. I love, like, let's just talk about first the presentation case, because, oops, let me close this the right way. I just want to talk about this presentation case. Like, look how beautiful. I mean, it's huge. Like, this thing is so big, but it is so nice. I store it underneath my sink. When I want to get my hair done, I just take it out. There's this little like protection thing that you could put on your counters and put the hot tool over it. And then you have all of your tools, which was in the unboxing. So I want to talk a little bit about the technology behind this. And it was one of the reasons why I wanted to get this hair tool. Wanting to stay away from a lot of heat. I don't have a lot of heat damage in my hair. Like every time I go get my hair cut, they always say, oh, you don't have like any heat damage in your hair. And I want to keep it that way. I want to make sure I keep my hair healthy. And the more that you do use heat on your hair, it does damage your hair. So I wanted to switch over because this is called the Kuwanda effect. Okay, I have the box right over here. On the box, it talks about the technology behind this hair tool. And so what it is something called Kuwanda. Essentially what it means is that it uses air, less heat and air to style your hair. If you notice here on the box, it says that it protects the hair from extreme heat damage, and you can use it to curl your hair, to smooth your hair, and everything like that. So now we've spoken about the technology because I feel like that's one of the more important things. This is what sets Dyson apart from any other hair tool on the market today. Now, in terms of what hair do I have very thick hair. This is all my hair. I do not have any extensions or anything like that. It is not unruly by any means. It's very easy to style. I can style my hair within 15 minutes using this tool, even though it is so long. I have seen this machine work on girls that have curly hair. Wanted to get out of the shower and start styling your hair right away. I would recommend the pre-styling dryer. Dyson does have an actual blow dryer, but this is kind of like the sister to that. It's not as strong, and I would imagine because then it would take the sales from the actual supersonic hair dryer that Dyson has. So this is really good. It's actually this side. I thought it would be this side that would do the drying, but it is this one. All right, now the barrels. I want to quickly talk about the barrels. This was one of the things that sold me on this product because I do not know any type of curling wand or any type of curling anything that does this. This is so cool. It's like a blow dryer curling wand put together. Like, it is the coolest thing. You have the 1.2 Airwrap barrel size, and then you have the 1.6. The 1.6 is a lot thicker, and it's also a lot shorter, if you see the difference. Now, personally, it depends on what style you're going for. Like, if you're going for more beachy waves, you would go with this one. Also, depending on how long or short your hair is would be depending on what barrel you would use. And then this one, I personally, from my hair, I like the longer barrel because it holds my hair in place without kind of like spilling out of the barrel. Also, something that's really neat, if you notice, they have two and they have arrows. So when you are styling your hair, like, see, this would be opposite. When you're styling your hair, you want to look in the mirror, and so this curl, I want it to go that way, so I would use this barrel, and then I want to this side to go the opposite way, so I would use this barrel. And you just plop it on. Next attachments are these like brush looking ones. This is gonna really give you like that straight look, and this is gonna give you like a straight look with some volume. This is so cool. I want to show you. This attachment is possibly one of my favorites when it comes, I mean, this attachment is the next on my like favorite list from all of the attachments that this comes in. And this is really gonna give you a beautiful blowout like you just came from the salon. I mean, if you spend $550 on a tool like this, you're not gonna need to go to the salon. You can do your hair from home. It's gonna look like you went to the salon. And I did see a curly hair girl using this brush as well, and her hair looked absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put in a clip of me using everything to style my hair. Soft smoothing brush. Just gonna turn it on. Test it out. So you can use it like any way you want, like a brushing motion or like this. Firm smoothing brush. The other one grabs the hair a lot more than this one does, I feel. And they do move the bristle, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so this side is definitely a lot more smoother than this side is, so I can tell that these bristles definitely do what they say. They definitely smooth out the hair. This is the round volumizing brush that has like a cool tip on the top, so you could use it and it doesn't burn your hands. I feel like this would give you more of a blown out salon look. It also gets a lot hotter for some reason, so I really appreciate the cool tip. I feel like I'm really gonna like this. And at the bottom, you could kind of twist it to give you a little bit of a curl almost at the bottom. See that? To give you that salon blowout at home look. And I'm just wrapping it around the hair. You can actually turn on the cool blast, let it go, turn it off, and then do this. And it even gives you a curl. Like, look how beautiful this curl turned out. We're going to test out the curling barrels. You want to grab a small strand of hair and probably about 6 inches. And you see how it grabs my hair right away. A really cute curl. So you let it wrap around the barrel, and you can even do this and kind of give it a little bit more curl. I like to hold it just so my hair kind of stays in place because I have really long hair. And just hold it there for a couple seconds. The button you use to turn the machine on is what you do to give it a cool blast to set the curl. And the same button, you turn it off. And look how pretty. So to finalize the video, I wanted to go over some of the questions that you left me on Instagram. The first one I have here is about prices, so I answered that one in the beginning. Cons about the Dyson and why. I don't really have any cons because I like this product so much, but honestly I would say the learning curve in the beginning, it feels like you can't do it, it's really hard, but after practicing it gets so easy. Dyson or T3. So the T3, if you've been watching me for a long time, it was one of my favorite curling wands. Actually, my cousin Kathy put me on that curling wand. I loved it so much. I use it all the time to the point that it was turning yellow. I love that barrel so much, but honestly, this takes the cake because this is different technology and like it does the curl for you. You don't have to do barely any work, very low heat. So it's curling your hair using air with low heat. So there's essentially not much damage. This one. Do you use this after hair is dry, or it can be used on damp hair to blow dry as well? You can use this on dry hair as well, but for you to get the most out of this hair tool, I recommend using it damp hair to dry. So you would use it to style and dry your hair. Is this worth the money besides it being beautiful? Yes, yes, yes. Keep in mind that if you were to buy every single tool separate, if you were to buy a straightener, that would probably be $100, depending on the type of straightener you get as well. The curling barrels, remember there's different sizes for curling barrels as well. That would be probably another 100 or more. Like the T3 is more than $100. A blow dryer. And then you have your round volumizing brush. If you add all that up, do they have smaller ones for shorter hair? Is it pricey? This works for any hair length. All right, Bonecas, I think I answered all of your questions. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. And if you came across this video thinking about whether you should or shouldn't get this product, I hope my review helped you to make that decision. All right, Bonecas, until next time, I will see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.